You have Venmo or cash if you just want fruit?
Three
Don't wait an hour.
kinds, pork, chicken, and
Yes.
jalapeno.
Hey, what's up? What's up, señor?
So we have different cupcake flavors. We have cookies and cream, funfetti, chocolate, and strawberry. And then we also have gluten-free blueberry muffins, caffeinated chocolate muffins, and zucchini bread.
So you could try some cheese.
Olivia, loaded package fries for Olivia.
I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, then I'll watch them roll away again.
How much are these?
25.
Hi, I'm Jenny Mae Shervin. I'm the market manager and executive director for Jackson Hole Farmers Market. We are here at our first farmers market of the season, and we will be here until September 27th is our fall festival. And we are also holding our annual Table on the Ranch event at Little Jennie Ranch on Thursday, July 31st this year. You can get tickets online on our website at jacksonholefarmersmarket.org/table on the ranch.
Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching